Hello everyone, I'm Flora from Senken Group. Have you ever worried about the risk of driving collision at night? The foggy walls that cannot be seen clearly, the dangers when you ride a bike at night, or other situations that need to be warned. All these situations could be solved or be helped by our product, which is named 360-degree magnetic warning lamp. It's small and easy to carry, and because of its function both of warning and lighting, so it can be used in a wider situation, such as patrol police, traffic police, road administration, fire protection, and industrial fields. It provides faster emergency warning, diversion effect, and guidance. It flashes all around its body, so it can be seen more clearly. And there are totally 12 flashing patterns, such as constant on, rotating, flashing, SOS, and can synchronize with other lights. It can be absorbed on the surface of iron products, so you can put it on your car or whatever iron you want. It has magnetic charging interface, 20 hours working time, and 6-hour charging time. What's more, it can even be used in rainstorms. Please kindly feel free to contact us if you have any needs. That's all for today. Thank you.